My name is Jimmy, and today I'm going to tell you the truth about affiliate marketing. I'm going to share some things that people are not talking about. If you've been thinking about getting into affiliate marketing, or if you want to be successful in it, this is the article for you. I'm going to lay out some things that can help you on your affiliate marketing journey. First thing I want to say is affiliate marketing is by far the best way to generate income online. There are a lot of other ways to make money online, but affiliate marketing is one of those opportunities where even the average person can become a six-figure or seven-figure earner. I've seen people come into affiliate marketing with zero technical skills, no college degree, and no advanced background, yet they've still succeeded in affiliate marketing. This is documented, and you can find proof of it online. Affiliate marketing requires minimal upfront investment. You don't have to create your own product. Most of the time, you don't even need to create your own website, and you don't need to manage inventory. These factors significantly reduce your financial risk and cut down on overhead expenses. I'm 100% for affiliate marketing, but there are some things that most people aren't talking about. Some people share good information, but about 70-80% of so-called gurus out, they're only focused on getting clicks and selling. Use something to make money. They aren't putting real effort into their training and showing you how to make money. But shout out to the ones who are putting in the real work. So what aren't people talking about? Well, places like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and others are often mentioned. And while you can make money from these sites, many people don't realize that the quality of products on these platforms is very poor. A lot of these product creators don't care much about their products. They put most of their effort into marketing and sales pages to get people in. For example, many weight loss products, make money products, and marketing tools don't actually work. If you choose to promote these products, you might experience a high percentage of refunds. Unless you offer bonuses or something extra, I'd advise beginners to stay away from these platforms at first. I promote products on these sites sometimes, but only after doing thorough research. If you're a beginner, it's best to stay away until you have more experience, and then you can consider promoting products on these platforms. Here's another truth about affiliate marketing that many don't mention. Promoting physical products is tough. I don't like promoting physical products because you have to worry about shipping, which adds complexity and cost. Managing inventory can be a nightmare, especially if you're dealing with perishable goods. This is why I prefer promoting digital products. I don't have to worry about any of that. When I promote digital products, everything is already in motion, and all I have to do is plug into it and start making money. Another thing that people don't talk about is that big companies like Amazon, Nike, Microsoft, and others offer affiliate programs. However, they typically don't pay a lot. You'll only earn about 2% to 10% in commissions from these companies. I don't know about you, but I'm not gonna waste my time promoting something if I'm only gonna make a small percentage. Instead, I focus on promoting digital products, which typically pay anywhere from 50% to 100% in commissions. The easiest way to do affiliate marketing is to promote affiliate marketing training or tools. This was a game changer for me. When I got involved with an affiliate program that teaches affiliate marketing or provides effective marketing tools and software, everything became easier. There are so many beginners out there who haven't seen real results because they're re-promoting things they don't truly believe in. It's essential to get involved with something that will show you how to make money or provide tools that will help you make money. If you get involved in something that works, it'll make you more excited and motivated. People can see that enthusiasm and excitement, whether it's through videos or text, and that energy is contagious. Make sure you promote something that will actually help you. Don't listen to all the gurus out there promoting courses and programs. Take the time to ensure that people are actually making money from what you're promoting. When you're in something that works, you'll start making money, and sharing your results will make it easier to sell. You won't have to convince anyone. They'll buy because they see your success. If you're interested in earning 100% commissions, I'm currently in a program called Content Marketing Pro. It shows you how to make money by creating content, and it also provides tools and software to help you get the job done. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below this article. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace and blessings.